So in last class, all the characteristic properties completed. So in D block elements, only two concepts are there. One is potassium dichromate, one is KMnO4. But anyhow, these two concepts, potassium dichromate, KMnO4, they deleted in the need and subject to exam also. PU also 30% syllabus reduced. But why we are discussing this entire chapter they didn't deleted. Only last concept they deleted. If any chapter is completely deleted, metallurgy chapter is there completely deleted, hence they won't ask the questions from metallurgy. But D and F block elements only two compounds deleted. If any chance is there, if you are practicing, it is helpful for you. That's why it is not in syllabus. Even in NEET and subject also not there. But you should one time go through these two compounds. Put a side heading. Next concept. Important compounds of some important compounds of D block elements. Some important compounds of D block elements. Put a side heading. Some important compounds of D block elements. See here. Lastly, two important compounds are there. One is potassium dichromate. One is potassium permanganate. First one. Put a side heading. Potassium dichromate. Potassium dichromate. Two important compounds are there. Formula K2Cr2O7. Second compound is potassium permanganate. So for these two compounds we have to practice preparation properties. If these two compounds preparation properties finish, means entire chapter will be finished. Potassium permanganate. Complete reactions. Potassium permanganate formula KMnO4. Write running notes because here no explanation, much explanation are there, complete reactions only. Write running notes simultaneously. After that, put a side heading. Manufacture of potassium dichromate. Manufacture of potassium dichromate. Manufacture of potassium dichromate. There you have to write down. It is obtained from. It is obtained from chromite ore. It is obtained from chromite ore. Formula you have to write down. FeO.Cr2O3, or it can be written as FeCr2O4. 3 plus 1, 4 oxidants. So in old syllabus, what they ask is, what are the oxidation states of metals in the chromite ore? In previous case it exam question. By strictly speaking, this chromite ore is a mixed oxide. Here two oxides are there. So previous case in exam question, what are the oxidation states of two metals? Formula also you should remember. Chromite ore formula FeOCr2O3. So here iron we don't know X. Each oxide -2. It is a neutral compound 0. Therefore X equal to what? +2. Here chromium we don't know. 2 chromiums 2X. Each oxide -2. 3 oxygens are there. -6 equal to 0. Therefore X equal to what? +3. Therefore, in the chromite ore, two metals are there. Both are exhibits different oxidation state. Iron +2, chromium +2. Previous case at exam facility. So it is obtained from which ore? Chromite ore. Formula FeOCr2O3. Next line. Next line. Manufacturing of K2Cr2O7. Manufacturing of K2Cr2O7 involves 3 steps as follows. Right, running notes, complete reactions only. 3 steps as follows. Right, running notes. Step 1. Complete memory based reactions. Step 1. Conversion of chromite ore into sodium chromate. Conversion of chromite ore into sodium chromate. It is also known as roasting of chromite ore. Roasting of chromite ore. So in the first step, that chromite ore we have to convert it into sodium chromate. It is also known as roasting. Generally roasting means strong heating in the presence of oxygen. Chapati roast, chicken roast. Chapati roast means strong heating of chapati in the presence of oxygen. Chicken roast also strong heating in the presence of oxygen. Now chromite ore formula FeOCr2O3. This chromite ore converting into sodium chromate. Sodium chromate formula Na2Cr4. In order to getting sodium chromate here, sodium containing compound we should use, that is Na2CO3, sodium carbonate. Roasting means strong heating in the presence of oxygen. Roasting means strong heating in the presence of oxygen. Now, then chromate were converting into sodium chromate. In addition to this here, some byproducts also formed. Fe2O3 plus carbon dioxide gas is liberated. The sodium chromate is a yellow color compound. Sodium chromate, color also you should remember here, yellow color. Now we have to balance the equation, trial and error methods. So here 4 irons if you are considering here, 2 irons multiplied by 2, 2 into 4 irons, 4 into 2, 8 chromiums, here 8 chromiums, 8 into 2, 16 oxygens, here, sorry, 16 sodium, 16, 8 carbons, 8, oxygens, 8 into 4, 32, 32 plus 6, 38, 38 plus 16, 38 plus 16 what? 56. This side, here 4 into 3, 12, 12 plus 6, 16, 16 plus 24, 16 plus 24 what? 16 plus 24, 40. Therefore 54 means here 7. That side 54, this side also 54. So this is sodium chromate. Step 2, conversion of sodium chromate to sodium dichromate. Sodium chromate to sodium dichromate. Here, sodium chromate formula Na2Cr4. Whenever it reacts with sulfuric acid, it converting into sodium dichromate Na2Cr2O7 plus Na2SO4 plus H2. Trial and error method equation balancing 2 sodiums, 2 chromiums multiplied by 2. 1 sulfur, 2 hydrogens, oxygen 8, 8 plus 4, 12. 7 plus 4, 11 plus 1, 12. Equation balanced. So this is sodium dichromate. Sodium dichromate. Next, step 3. Conversion of complete memory base disk. This question came in for preparation, very important in whole syllabus. In chemical kinetics, derivations of first order, zero order, how much importance is there? From D block element, every year, out of these 2 questions, 1 question they are asking for 3 marks, manufacturing. 3 steps are there, 3 marks. Anyhow, they deleted. Step 3, conversion of sodium dichromate. Conversion of sodium dichromate to potassium dichromate, our required product. Potassium dichromate. Sodium dichromate formula Na2Cr2O7. We want to convert it into potassium dichromate. Potassium dichromate formula K2Cr2O7. Potassium dichromate formula K2Cr2O7. Otherwise, I will write on board above last equation. Conversion of sodium dichromate to potassium dichromate. Sodium dichromate formula Na2Cr2O7. We want to convert it into potassium dichromate K2Cr2O7. This is potassium dichromate. In order to convert it into potassium dichromate, right hand side potassium is there. Hence to this sodium dichromate we should add potassium containing compound KCl. Potassium containing compound KCl. So this K and Cr2O7, K2Cr2O7, sodium and chlorine, sodium chloride. Now balancing. 2 potassiums are there multiplied by 2. 2 sodiums are there multiplied by 2. Equation balanced. Right. Finished now? Next. All of you put a side heading. Properties of K2Cr2O7. So properties also important. Especially these properties are important for objective exam according to old syllabus. But one time go through the preparation properties. Properties of K2CR47. Right, now first point. Potassium dichromate is a first point. Not completed third equation. No? Potassium dichromate is a orange red. Potassium dichromate. Otherwise it is a orange red color crystalline solid. It is a orange red color crystalline solid. Point number 2. It is a powerful oxidizing agent. Why means in the chemical properties we will discuss. It is a powerful oxidizing agent. Point number 3. It is moderately soluble in. It is moderately soluble in cold water. It is moderately soluble in cold water, but fairly soluble in hot water. These are the physical properties, but fairly soluble in hot water. Next, one more fourth one, action of heat. Here onwards, chemical properties we start. Action of heat, previous object to exam question. Put a side heading, action of heat, write the equation. Action of heat. When potassium dichromate is strongly heated, and potassium dichromate is strongly heated, it converts into potassium chromate plus Cr2O3 plus oxygen. In 1 year, in old syllabus, what they ask is, when potassium dichromate is strongly heated, which of the following is not formed? First of all, if you are remembering which are formed, automatically you are able to identify which is not formed. Complete memory based equations you should practice. Nothing is there for explanation. Reactions are experimental facts. So it is a potassium dichromate. A color also you should remember. Potassium dichromate is an orange red color solid. Orange red. This is potassium chromate. Dichromate means Cr2O7. Chromate means CrO4. Potassium chromate color is yellow color. Yellow color. 2 chromiums multiplied by 2. 2 into 2, 4 chromiums. Otherwise, here multiplied by, if you are multiplied by here 4 for example. Here 4 potassiums. 4 into 2, 8. 4. 4 into 2, 8. Here 4 multiplied by 2. Oxygens 4 into 7, 28. Trial and error method. 4 into 4, 16. 16 plus 6, 22. Therefore, here multiplied by 3. 3 into 2, 6. 22 plus 6, 28. Trial and error method. If you are multiplied by 2, you won't get the balanced equation. Anyhow, balanced equation not required for objective exam. Which is formed, which is not formed. Next, fifth one. Action with alkalis. Fifth one. Action with alkalis. Fifth one. Action with alkalis. There you have write down. When potassium dichromate is treated with aqueous KOH solution, it turns to yellow color of potassium chromate. It turns to yellow color of potassium chromate. Write the equation. Whenever to this potassium dichromate, if you are adding aqueous KOH solution, potassium dichromate color is what? Orange red. Here color is important for objective exam. Whenever to this orange red color solution, if you are adding KOH, immediately turns to yellow color. Immediately turns to yellow color. K2CrO4 is a yellow color solution plus byproduct. Whenever H and O is there, H2. Now, equation we should balance. Trial and error method. Here 2 chromiums are there multiplied by 2. Here 4 potassiums. Already here 2 potassiums are there. Here 2 potassiums already there. Hence here multiplied by 2. 7 oxygens. Hydrogens 2. 7 plus 2, 9. 8 plus 1, 9. Equation balance. Right now. Here a small importance is that is the previous objective exam question. Based on this, how they are asking the questions, I will discuss now. Finish this equation. Complete equations you should practice number of times. Then only you will remember. Especially for this color, for this reaction, colors also you should remember. Potassium chromate yellow color. Potassium dichromate orange red color. Finish it? Now. Initially we are having orange red color solid, potassium dichromate, orange red. To this orange red color, if you are adding KOH solution, aqueous KOH solution, after adding aqueous KOH solution, this orange red color turns to yellow color. Yellow color of which compound? K2CrO4. Yellow color is due to formation of K2CrO4. Initially orange red color is there. To this, if you are adding KOH, it turns to yellow color. Very, very important. Again, to this yellow color solution, if we are adding acid, previously we added base, important reaction. If you are adding acid HPSO4, again this yellow color turns to orange red color due to formation of potassium dichromate. So again I am repeating. Initially potassium dichromate is there, orange red. To this, if you are adding base, orange red turns to yellow. Again to the yellow color, if you are adding H2SO4, again we are getting original orange red color. That means indirectly here, potassium dichromate to potassium chromate are interconvertible. Dichromate converts to chromate, chromate converts to dichromate. Next line on write down. Next line. To the formed potassium chromate. To the formed potassium chromate. When an acid is added. To the formed potassium chromate, when an acid is added. Again it turns to orange red color of potassium dichromate. Orange red color of potassium dichromate. Orange red color of potassium dichromate. Therefore, K2CrO4 plus H2SO4. To this we are adding H2SO4. That means K2Cr2O7. K2Cr2O7. This is yellow color. This is orange red. Here, whenever K and SO4 is there, it forms K2SO4. Whenever H and O is there, H2. Equation should be balanced. Trial and error method. Here, 2 chromiums are there, multiplied by 2. 4 potassiums, 4 potassiums. 1 sulfur, 1 sulfur. 2 hydrogens, 2 hydrogens. Oxygens, 8 plus 4, 12. 7 plus 4, 11 plus 1, 12. Finished now? Next time, note. Very, very important. Previous object exam question. Note. Both K2Cr2O7 and K2CrO4. Both K2Cr2O7 and K2CrO4 are interconvertible. Both K2Cr2O7 and K2CrO4 are interconvertible by changing the medium. Here, combined equation you should remember. That is easy. Instead of remembering individual equations, just for understanding purpose here I am considering. If we are removing 2 potassiums, we can write as Cr2O7 minus. If we are removing these 2 potassiums, means the 2 comes as a power. If we are removing here 2 potassiums, here 2 comes as power. Therefore, dichromate converting into chromate, chromate converting into dichromate. Dichromate converting into chromate in the presence of which medium? Basic medium, OH minus. Chromate converting into dichromate in the presence of which medium? Acidic medium. Very, very important. In the presence of acidic medium, chromate converting into dichromate. Hence, combined form we have write down. Both are interconvertible. Write this equation. Cr2O7 minus 2 In the presence of which medium? Basic medium. OH minus. OH minus means basic medium. Basic medium. Basic medium is pH value more than 7. It converting into chromate. CrO4 minus. Chromate is converting into dichromate in the presence of acidic medium. H plus. Acidic medium is pH value less than 7. Acid means pH value less than 7. Here name, it is a potassium dichromate. Potassium dichromate. It is a orange red color solution. Here color is important. Potassium dichromate, orange red color solution. So potassium dichromate, it is a orange red color solution. It is a potassium chromate. Potassium chromate. So potassium chromate means yellow color solution. So in 1 year, in objective exam, how they ask the question is, first write the interconversion. How they ask the question is Cr2O7 minus 2 gives rise to previous objective exam question CrO4 minus 2. Here they mentioned A. Here they mentioned B, here pH equal to C, here pH equal to D, like that they mentioned. Previous examples it is. What are A, B, C? So they give 4 options. A is orange red color, B is pink color like that, B is here yellow color. C value they given options. Here in that here what they given is C value 11, here D value 4, correct only. So dichromate to chromate, pH value more than 7. More than 7 is 11 is correct. Basic medium more than 7. Therefore, in one of the option 11 they given. Here D, acidic medium. Acidic medium means pH value less than 7. Therefore, less than 7 is 4 correct. Like that they are asking. So if you are having a grip on the synopsis, whatever may be they will frame the question, we are able to identify. So A, B, C, D they are asking. That's why these two compounds colors you should remember. Potassium dichromate to chromate to orange red to yellow color solution.